Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. If you are running a cleaning or facility services business, you know how chaotic it gets juggling website bookings, dispatching things, and making sure checklists actually get done. Today we will see how to manage your entire housekeeping operation from a single mobile-first Odoo application all the way from the customer booking online to your team's completing checklist and collecting digital signature on the field. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here this module, Odoo Housekeeping Management. Here already installed this module. So first go to website. And we have website homepage, Immaculate Homes, Effortless Living. And provided here these two buttons, Book a Cleaning and See Package. When you scroll down, then you can easily find the right plan for your homes. So here we have a total 3 plans. First of all, standard home cleaning, total $80. Second one is a deep clean package, $180, and third one is the office maintenance, total $120. If you want to see in details, then easily use this view package. And easily see here in details. That's what included in. So total include 4 deep clean bathroom, dust all surface, sanitized kitchen counter, and fourth one is a vacuum force. So total here 4 items included. And if you want to book this package, then easily use this book package button. Now again back to home page. And below provided how it works. So total we have a 3 steps to a sparkling home. First of all, book online. Second one is a we arrive on the time, and third one is a your relax. Below provided location, branch is nearby you. So we have a currently total 2 location, downtown HQ and uptown office. Now we have a frequently asked question with answer, like do I need to be home during the cleaning? So also provided here this questions answer. Second one is if not happy with this cleaning, then its answer available. If you want to cancel or reschedule a booking, then yes, easily do it. Included in a standard cleaning. So yes, including in this dusting, vacuuming, mopping, kitchen counter, etc. And are your team members insured and trained? So here provided this fully insured, background checked and trained on our standard checklist before their first visit. And below provided here this ready for a sparkling home. So if you interested in, then easily use this book a cleaning. So it's the website homepage. It's a fully cleaned, modern and dynamic. Next video in we will see how to book package for your housekeeping. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.